Welcome back to the channel where we simplify technology for you. For this video, I will answer the question how to direct focus to a specific area in your spreadsheet. So let's give an example. So let's say I have this huge spreadsheet. I have several rows. This is until row 609. And let's say I want to share this to Gary Garcia, and I would like to ask him how is that possible that we only have one transaction for August 2. Okay, if you will notice, we have here, this is August 2, 2020, and we only have one transaction. How is that possible? I have several accounts executive and we only have one transaction for that day. So if I want to, I can share this to Gary Garcia. Okay, I can share this to Gary Garcia and ask him, please look at row 357. And then how is that possible that we only have one transaction for this particular day? So I can do that. So all he needs to do is open the email and then scroll down to 357. But to make it convenient for the person, what I can do is I can create a link specifically for this area. So the first step to do that is to highlight the range, or let's say highlight this particular area. So I will now highlight everything. And then the second step is to right click the highlighted area and get link to this range. Okay, so once you click that, you will copy it to the clipboard, and then you can now share it to the person. So let's say Gary Garcia again, and then please check this specific area in the spreadsheet. So how is this possible? Okay, so I can now paste the link here, and then all he needs to do then is all I need to do now is just send. Okay, and then let me now go to that particular account. So let's say let me switch to that account. So let's say let me go to Gary G. Okay, and this is now the account. So let me open that email. So you will see how does it work. So right now I have two emails. Okay, so let me get and open this second one. So you will see, please check this specific area in the spreadsheet, and how is this possible. So when I click this link, it will point me to that specific area in the spreadsheet. So it's still loading right now, but you will see that it points me and it highlights that particular area. So that is how you direct a person to a specific area in your spreadsheet. So if you have any question, please comment down below. Bye for now.